Hey, check this out. Something has been damaging this oak sapling here, rubbing up on it, and it's going to kill it eventually. So we're going to see if we can put up some tree protection so that it might grow large enough to one day start putting out acorns for the wildlife. Alright, well here it is. Hopefully this will protect the tree and allow it to mature. Only time will tell, and hopefully it will be an acorn producing oak, feeding lots of wildlife in the future.
Well, that example is done using chicken wire, which is readily accessible and cheap to most landowners, which is why it was used in that situation. It could be improved upon using staking such as rebar or wind dowels to firm it up. Now, there are also all kinds of pre-made options. For example, from forestry suppliers, we have this solid tube that would wrap around the tree you're trying to protect. Here we have a tube with holes in it. Now, this next one is more of a mesh. And here we have this tube with a grid pattern. And although it does seem kind of short, especially if you're trying to protect your tree from deer, although I believe you could stack these and connect them in a way to customize the height to any tree you're trying to protect. They also come in a bunch of different price points as well. For example, this one was $1.50 for one, $3 for one, $32 for five, and $16 for six. Now, this is not a complete list of all that is available. There are many options out there. And like I said, deer, rodents, and rabbits can kill your trees, making protection important if tree planting is a part of your wildlife management strategy. So you should heavily consider using these. Well, that's all I had for this video. I hope you learned something valuable. Please like, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook for more conservation and wildlife content like this. And remember, it is your job to keep Texas wild, 1 acre at a time.